They say motherhood is the greatest role a woman can play. But what happens when a woman chooses that role? Not because biology demanded it, but because her heart did. This Mother's Day, we celebrate the Indian celebrities who showed us that love has no bloodline. She was just 25 years old at the peak of her career, Miss Universe and one of Bollywood's brightest stars. And yet, Susmita Sen walked into the courtroom and fought a long legal battle for the right to be called Ma. She brought baby Renee home at 25 and then went back for more, adopting her second daughter, Alaya, in 2010. When asked why, she said simply, I didn't give birth to my daughters, I gave them life. That's not just motherhood, that's a mission. Before it was fashionable, before it was celebrated, Raveena Tandon was just 21 when she adopted two girls, Chaya aged 8 and Pooja aged 11, daughters of a distant cousin going through some financial hardship. She didn't wait for the world's approval. She said she would tell her girls every mistake she made growing up so they wouldn't have to make the same ones. That's not just parenting, that's a best friend for life. Sunny Leone and her husband Daniel became proud parents to baby Nisha when they adopted her from an orphanage in Latur, Maharashtra. Sunny has called Nisha the best gift she has ever received. In a world that judged her at every turn, Sunny chose love over noise and gave a little girl the loudest and most joyful home imaginable. Mandira Bedi and her husband Raj Kaushal spent nearly 3 years completing the adoption process before little Tara, a 4-year-old girl, finally came home in July 2020. They announced her arrival with a poem. She has come to us like a blessing from above. Our little girl Tara, with eyes that sparkles like stars. Mandira and Raj had given birth to their biological son Veer in 2011 and now their family felt complete with Tara as his little sister. But life had more tests in store. Just a year later, Raj Kaushal passed away suddenly due to a heart attack and Mandira stood strong, raising both her children independently. Through grief, through loss, through the hardest silence a mother can face, she showed up every single day for Tara and Veer. That is not just courage, that is motherhood in its purest and most unbreakable form. Some people wait to become parents. Mahi Vij simply looked around and opened her arms. After 7 years of marriage, Mahi and Jay became foster parents to their caretaker's 2 children, Khushi and Rajveer. No headlines, no announcement, just a quiet, powerful choice. 2 years later, in 2019, they welcomed their biological daughter, Tara. And when trolls accused them of forgetting Khushi and Rajveer, Mahi didn't stay silent. She said, for us, all 3 children are equally loved. That's the thing about real motherhood. It doesn't perform for the camera, it just shows up. This Mother's Day, let's redefine what it's meant to be a mother. It isn't just about carrying a child, it's about carrying them through life. These women and many more like them chose the children who needed them. And in doing so, they didn't just become mothers, they became heroes. Or if I might say, sheroes. Happy Mother's Day to every mother who chose love. Thank you. And for more such content, make sure you subscribe to FPG Shows.